Hi, it's Ethan from Not Just Apartments. Today we're kicking off another property tour. Thanks for watching. And this one comes with a prize. If you rent this apartment and you tell them that you heard about it through Not Just Apartments and your friend Ethan, you will win a $100 Amazon gift card. You want to see a test of how that would go? Hi, thanks for calling us. How did you hear about us today? Through my friend Ethan at Not Just Apartments. Just like that, it's that easy. So let me tell you why I like this community. The location is unbeatable. You're close to this area called Short Pump. You're in a great school district. You can walk to businesses like Kroger, Starbucks, Gold's Gym, the UPS store, which is something I use a lot. All right, today we're only gonna see one floor plan, but there's a lot of floor plans they might have available. So check out on their website which floor plan is open when you're renting. You can follow along on YouTube at Not Just Apartments with no spaces. Same thing on Instagram. Homes, apartments, businesses, restaurants, amusement parks, anything, any helpful information that we find interesting or positive. This promotion has to still be going on. This video might be on YouTube for another 100 years. It's not always going to go on, but right now it is. The address of this property is going to be in the description. Phone number you call, the website to check for availability. But we're going to show you a tour. I really like this area. I live in this area. Check out the tour, and I hope you like it because you know what? We need a good neighbor like you.